Welcome back to Everybody Loves Scott. So we're back in the garage. We got the Templar with us. The issue we're going to talk about today is spoke maintenance, actually servicing, checking your spokes. Any of your bikes that have a spoke, this is simply what you can do to make sure that you're good to go on that. Welcome to Everybody Loves Scott's, where I review China bikes and I document the experience of the bike.
When you get what you want, maybe I should start over.
So I've already got the bike jacked up. It really isn't this high unless, because I do have it on a jack. So let's go to the front tire and take a look at the spokes and check them. Now, some simple tools that you'll need for this. I have two different type of spoke wrenches, and I bought them both on Amazon. So I have a little spoke wrench here, and it actually, you just slide it in, and it'll adjust to multiple sizes. The other one is a nice little kit here if you want to get a little fancier. And they've got all these different tips that you can put on your spoke wrench. So you find the right size, and then you use it accordingly. So any type of spoke, pretty much this thing's going to work for you. So what we're going to do, and this is real simple because you got to figure when you go off-road and everything, more so when you're riding in the dirt, you might want to check your spokes because the fact is, if something goes loose, you don't want your wheel to break a spoke or whatever. It's real simple, and what I do is just simply go around, and it's like playing a musical instrument. And you can just tap on them. Between tapping on them, and you can actually feel if they're tight or not. So if you do need to tighten it up, you can just get your tool in there and twist it a little bit tighter. It doesn't matter if you're only adjusting one spoke, just snug it up, don't over tighten it, because obviously if you over tighten it, you could actually take your tire out of true. So if you only got one loose one, not a big deal. And like this other tool, just showing you that, it just slips right in there, and then you can just turn it and tighten it up. And I'll do that on both sides. And I like the sound of this one a little better. And you can see it's got a nice sound to it. But if you get that dull thud, that's a pretty good indication that you need to actually tighten that spoke up. If you have 2 or 3 spokes, be careful. Don't over tighten them because you still want to spin your wheel and make sure that it's actually running true. So I'll do this with the front tire, the back tire, more so this bike because I primarily take it off-road. If you're riding on the road or just gravel roads, chances of your spokes coming loose will be pretty limited. So there it is. It's pretty simple. Everybody should, 15, 20 bucks, you can get yourself a tool and you can actually make this happen. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.